Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to find IP address of application. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is for web applications using command line tools like for Windows, open command prompt CMD, use the command ping domain name, example ping www.example.com. This will show the IP address associated with the domain name. If you are using Mac or Linux, open terminal, use the command ping domain name or dig domain name for more detailed information. Using online tools like whatismyipaddress.com or MX Toolbox can help resolve the IP address of a domain. For desktop applications, check application settings. Some applications like web browsers might display the IP address they are using in their settings or preference menus. Using Task Manager, for Windows, open Task Manager, go to the Process tab, right click on the application and then select Open File Location. This one shows the IP address but you can see where it's installed. Using network monitor tools like Wireshark can monitor network traffic and show you the IP addresses the application is connecting to. Download and install Wireshark. Start a capture on the relevant network interface. Filter the results by application name or process ID. Analyze the captured packets to find the IP addresses being accessed. For mobile applications, using network mobile monitoring apps like Fing available on both iOS and Android can help identify devices on the same network and their IP addresses. Check device settings. For iOS, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap on the icon Info, tap on the info icon next to your Connect network and you may find information about connected devices. For Android, similar steps can be followed through Settings, Network and Internet and Wi-Fi. For server applications, check server logs. If you manage the server hosting the application, you can usually find logs that will show incoming and outgoing connections with their corresponding IP addresses. Use command line on the server. Use commands like netstat or ss to view active connections and their IP addresses. So that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.